In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete questions on Quora. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the deletion so your unwanted questions are fully removed from your profile. First, make sure you're logged into your Quora account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, head over to your main Quora dashboard. This is usually the homepage you see when you first open Quora. It shows your feed with questions, answers, and content recommended for you. If you're not already there, you can simply type quora.com in your browser's address bar and press enter. Give it a moment to load and you'll be on your dashboard. Next, you need to locate the specific question you want to delete. The easiest way is to go to your profile and view the list of questions you've asked. On the dashboard, look for your profile picture or your name, usually at the top of the page. Click that, then go to the section where your questions are listed. Scroll through until you find the question you want to remove. Once you've found it, look carefully to the right side of that question. You should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Move your cursor over to those 3 dots and click on them. This will open a small drop-down menu with different options related to that question. In this menu, look for the option that says Delete Question. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct question, because deleting it will remove it for good. When you're ready, click on Delete Question. As soon as you do that, Quora will usually show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed. In the confirmation window, you'll see a message asking you to confirm that you want to delete the question. This is your last chance to change your mind. If you're absolutely sure, click on the Confirm button. After you confirm, Quora will process the action and the question will be deleted from your account. You can now go back to your list of questions and refresh the page to check that the question is gone. If it no longer appears in your list, you've successfully deleted it. That's all there is to it. Go to your dashboard, open the options for the question, choose Delete, and confirm.